Have you noticed that people tend to wait for a spark in order to start or stop something? But the Messiah said to stop sinning. He didn't offer a 19-step process to stop sinning. He just said, oh, you're an adulteress or whatever it was. Well, stop sinning. Stop being an adulteress. Self mastery is biblical because you must have self control. And Christianity does have a habit of promoting unrighteousness and insinuating that everyone's efforts are futile, that we are these pathetic, helpless beings incapable of controlling ourselves, when the Messiah taught nothing of the sort. He literally just told people to stop or else. And the Holy Spirit promise wasn't there since he was still in the flesh. So telling people to stop their sin would have been by their own efforts. And we know self-mastery is possible because there is a whole other religion, Buddhism, where monks all day long master the self and practice self-control. See, the Messiah is our master, and we are his disciples, those of us who believe. And through his teaching of the Most High's word, when applied to our lives, we become disciplined. This is the guidance of the Holy Spirit, or walking in the Spirit. And walking in the Spirit means not living according to the flesh or, with a lack of self-control. So we have to stop looking to be motivated. We have to stop looking for a spark, and we have to start getting disciplined. If you want to be a student or master something, anything, you have to know the principles. So in this case, let's talk about, living righteously. You have to read the Holy Word. This is how you get renewed. Now, granted, you must have been granted access to even begin to have the ability to understand the word of the Most High, just like how the Messiah spoke in parables, so everyone didn't understand what he was saying. The kingdom of heaven is here, but it isn't for everyone. That is a misconception. If it was, then the Messiah himself wouldn't have locked out the Pharisees. And really, technically, they locked themselves out. So change will come once you decide to let it come. This could be your eating habits. I know sometimes it's easier said than done, but getting out of your own way is part of the process. And indeed, part of the problem is we do get in our own way. If you want to eat healthy, for instance, you have to get knowledge and become discipled. Motivation is fleeting, so that's not the solution. And motivation is like a spark, and both of those things are fleeting. They don't last. Discipline is meant to last. It's meant as a lifestyle, and discipline is a big part of the solution.